Hello everyone. I am Dr. Neha Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Guru Ghanshidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur. Today we are discussing on the topic general characteristic and outline classification of Urochordates, which is the syllabus of BSc third semester. So we are discussing general characteristic of Urochordates, classification of Urochordates, class 1 Acidiaceae, class 2 Thaliaceae and class 3 is Larvaceae or Appenticularia. So, first one is general characters of Urochordates. Urochordates are a Greek word. Ura means tail and chorda means notochord. Tunicates are sea squids is other name. Notochord only in the tail region of larva. Exclusively marine, solitary or colonial, fixed or pelagic animal. An anterior branchial aperture and dorsal, arboreal, atrial aperture are commonly present. Coelom is completely absent. Even the pericardial cavity is not coelomic. Atria is lined by ectodermal and open outside by atrial atriopore. Notochord present in the larval stages and absent in adult stage. Body is covered by a cuticular tunic or test in adult stage composed by tunicin similar to cellulose. Next is pharynx, large with two or several pairs of gill slits present, endostyle present and feeding is ciliary feeder. Respiration by gill slit and test. Test is a body cover. Dorsal tibular nerve cord is present in the larval forms while degenerates in the form of small ganglionic in adults. Blood vascular system is open, heart is ventral, simple, tubular, blood without respiratory equipment because hemoglobin is absent, excretion by neural gland, nephrocytes and pyloric glands. Sex are united hermaphrodite, fertilization external and cross, development indirect with tadpole larva having chordates characters. Next is classification of Urochordate. Subphylum Urochordata is divided by three classes: Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae and Larvaceae. First class is Acidiaceae divided into two orders, Anterogona and Pleurogona, and second class is Thaliaceae and divided into three orders. First one is Pyrosomida, second is Doliolida and third is Salpida, and third class is Larvaceae divided into two orders, Endostylophora and Polystylophora. Next is class 1 is Acidiaceae and main character is fixed or free swimming marine forms and simple compound solitary or colonial. Test is present, well developed and thick. Sex is united, larva free swimming and highly developed. Adult become usually sessile after retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis is when the notochord, nerve cord and tail are lost. So, divided into two orders. Acidiaceae is divided into two orders. First one is Anterogona. Body may be divided into two regions just like this figure, thorax and abdomen. So, neural gland, just like this neural gland is usually situated into ventral part. This part is dorsal part and this part is ventral part and to the nerve ganglion. The larva process two sense organ. Example is Acidiaceae, Ciona, Clavillina and Felucia. So, most important example is Ciona. This diagram is Ciona. Next, second order is Pleurogona. Pleurogona main character is body is undivided, generally structure of Herdmania, body is undivided, the neural gland is usually located either laterally or dorsal to the nerve ganglia. There are two gonads located in the lateral wall of the mantle. The larva bears only one sense organ. For example is Morgula, Brotrylis, Stylia and Amarocesium and herd mania. Most important example is herd mania. Herd mania is two aperture, first one is branchial aperture and second one is atrial aperture, and body is covered by tunic या tunicine या test. Next class is Thaliacea. Main character is free swimming and pelagic tunicates. The tunic is a permanent structure which bears circular muscles band. The tunic is thin and transparent. Oral and atrial siphon are situated at opposite end of the body, and tail, nerve cord and notochord are absent in adult stage. So, first order is Phyrosomida, free swimming animal, pelagic and colonial animal. Joints of the colony are embedded in a common test. So, just like this structure, joints, and main example is Phyrosoma, and branchial aperture of the joints on the outside and atrial aperture on the inner side. For example is Phyrosoma. This picture is Phyrosoma. Next is second order Doliolida. Body is barrel shaped just like this with complete muscles band forming 8 regular rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is 8 regular rings. The number of gill cells V are variable, and usually a tailed larval state is present in the life cycle. Most important example is Doliolum या Dolichina. So, first one is Doliolum, this figure is Doliolum. Third order is Salpida, Hemimyria या Heteromyria. Other name is Hemimyria या other or Heteromyria. The body is cylindrical, muscles band are incomplete. It is present in costal to deeper zone of 4500 feet depth. The first gill cells form a large opening in adults. The larval stages is lacking. Test is well developed and transparent. Most important example is Salpa. This one is Salpa. Next, third class is Larvaceae or Appendicularia is other name. Small free swimming or pelagic animal and highly developed tail. Test is temporary and renewed periodically. Single pair gill cells present, anus open ventrally on the surface of the body, and no metamorphosis. Divided into two orders. First one is Endostylophora and Polystylophora. First order is Endostylophora, house bilateral symmetrical, pharynx with endostyle. Most important example is Oicopleura or Appendicularia. This one is Oicopleura. Second order is Polystylophora, house bilaterally symmetrical with single aperture and pharynx with endostyle and 4 longitudinal ciliated rows. Example is Covolvaceae. This is reference, and thank you all of you.